Hey, my name is Jen. I am a product photographer turned Amazon seller. And in this video, I am going to tell you the 5 steps to launching your Amazon FBA business. If you're considering starting an Amazon FBA business, congratulations. This is the first step. You're doing research, so I'm so proud of you. So let's get into it. So step 1, you're going to want to choose your product. Before you do anything, you want to spend some time doing product research and figuring out exactly what type of product you want to launch. There are a ton of tools, including Helium 10 and Jungle Scout. And with these tools, you can find products that have a high search volume, high demand, but low competition. And so by doing research and looking at products that you're already interested in yourself, you can find a winning product that is going to make you enough revenue for it to make sense for you to launch. The next thing you're going to need to do is start an Amazon seller account. So in order to sell on Amazon, you have to get approved on a seller account. In this process, you're going to provide some personal information. They're going to make sure you're a legitimate person, and it costs about $40 a month to have a seller account. There is a free version, but I recommend going ahead and going forward with the $40 a month plan. So step 3 is do supplier research. You are going to want to find about 5 suppliers that could potentially supply the product that you are thinking about launching on Amazon, and order those samples, check them out, check the quality, see who you like best, who do you communicate with the best. And this is going to help you make a decision on who you want to move forward with. In this process, you can also talk to them about any customizations that you need to make, if you need to add your logo, if you need to get any sort of packaging done that's custom for your brand. This is the time to discuss that. The 4th step is you are going to place your first inventory order. So you can order as many units as you want. Some suppliers have minimums like 250 or even 1,000, but you decide what you want to budget for your first order and how much risk you want to put on the table when you are going to launch your first product. So I would recommend ordering somewhere around 250 units for your first order, just so you can validate whether or not that product is going to be something that people want on Amazon. You can do a lot of research, but you just never know what's going to happen until it gets to the warehouse. Now that you've ordered your product and it's on its way to the warehouse, you can complete the final step here, which is essentially creating your listing and optimizing it. You get to get your product pictures on there, get your description, your title, all of those things to make sure that it is as attractive as possible for your potential customer. That is it. Those are the 5 simple steps to launching a product on Amazon FBA. It really doesn't have to be that overwhelming. Obviously, there's a lot of new skills that you're going to learn, but once you do it once, you can do it over and over and over again, and that is the beauty of this. And after that product is launched, it will continue to bring revenue to you. All you have to do is continue to reorder and restock that product at Amazon, and you can continue to make money. Be sure to check out my free resources in the description below. Like this video and subscribe if you want more content like this. We will see you on the next one.